Alright y'all, so in this video I wanted to show you how I polish out the holes after I poke them with my hole puncher. You might be poking holes in a berry bowl like this guy, or maybe a planter, and you get those rough edges after you poke through. After the pot is dried a bit and it's almost to bone dry, I go ahead and I use a hole puncher that's larger than the one that I used to originally poke the holes to polish it out. I'll show you here a little bit closer up on how I do so. So as you can see on the bowl here, it has some rough edges. So I'm going to show you how I remove these. I originally used this guy to punch the holes, and I'm going to use this larger step up to polish the holes. As you can see here, I'm using the tool to rock back and forth to clean out those holes. The outside is going to have some blemishes as well, so I go ahead and I attack those. Usually not as bad because we are poking going this way. If I was poking going this way, they would be worse on the outside, but I don't do it like that. So going ahead and I'm polishing up these. I like to use a sponge to polish out the pot at the very end. So I go ahead and I get this nice and wet and I wring it out all the way. Almost like it's not dry, but it's not dripping wet. So the key here is to not wipe too many times in the same spot, but you want to wipe it enough to where you're taking off these blemishes. We already took the bulk of it off with the poker, but now is just the final touch. And I also get the little markings that are left behind from pinching the rim. So going all the way around. Again, 2 or 3 passes. You don't want to go too hard or you will bring back out that grog, which is that rough texture you get. As you can see, it's just much smoother than it was before, and much more workable so that we can put the glaze on and it will not cut your finger. If you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it, leave a comment down below and let me know what I did good and what I can improve on. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you. Maybe respond with a video answering your question. Until next time, keep practicing and keep practicing. With failure and more failure comes more and more success. So keep at it. It will take you some time, but if you keep persevering, you'll become a great potter. Until next time, peace.